The tunnel grew colder. Miller and I were close to the surface now. Soon, we would climb up into the howling wind to fight our way through whatever nightmares were waiting there. My long journey was nearly at the end. But would I have the courage, the will to see it through?
Hey, Artyom. When you left your home station, did you ever think we'll end up in a place like this? Not knowing whether we were about to save our world, or send it straight to hell.
Gotcha!
We'll have to get through the military outpost to reach the surface, Artyom. Shh, тихо. Something's moving in the next room. Open the gate, I'll cover. Open the door. I'll cover you. Shit is always breaking down in here. Use the auxiliary hand system to open the gate. Artyom, check those crates for ammo and medpacks. Ready, Artyom? Follow me. Okay. Up we go. Seems like nobody's home. Before we hit the surface, put your gas mask on. Without it, we'll be like a goldfish outside this room.
We're almost there. This is the Korolev Performance Hall. It's really close to the tower. Load your weapon! Suki. Here they come. Let's give it a pull. Okay, Artyom, let's fall together. You ready? Pull! Anuka! Let's move out.
Come in, Woodman. Come in. Over. You're coming through loud and clear. Over. We're at the tower. I repeat, we're at the tower. Did the group move out? Over. Well, that's affirmative. We've made contact. They should be in the vicinity of the tower now. Over. Roger. We'll contact you again when we're at the top of the tower. Get a fix on our location then. Over.
Let's go. The others should already be here. Glad to see you, Colonel. Did you hear that? Listen. What the hell is it? Form a circle!
Stay calm. Watch your backs, boys. Okay. Looks it's gonna be tougher than the library. On my blood. Shit, wait. Fire at will. Move the line.
Damn it!
Life was never easy in the tunnels, but it was our home. There was comfort in its routines, in seeing the same people day after day. But since the mutant attacks had escalated, fear ruled the station. I had just turned 20, and could never have imagined what would follow on the morning that my stepfather's friend Hunter arrived at the barricade.
Artyom, awake at last, I see. Hunter's on his way in. He should have news from the other stations. Come on. Let's go, Artyom.
Ellis, pigs, disease.
Yes, Nikolai?
I've been through worse, and I'm not giving up. What's your plan for the dark ones? Hand them all.
Hello, Artyom. The station can't survive much longer if these attacks don't stop. We must do something.
What more can we do?
The dark ones will kill us all.
We'll see what Hunter says.
Sergei, have you seen my Sergei?
Hello, Artyom. Another patrol was attacked last night. The hospital's full.
The situation's under control.
Mommy, do we need to Alexei? We just have to hope.
Leave him alone.
My brother is in the hospital.
No visitor. Has anyone seen him?
Pieter!
The captain said he was okay, but...
Oh,
he's
that's
alive.
you. Come on, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
The situation's under control.
How are the wounded?
Not much improvement. 2 died this morning.
The Dark Ones do not kill outright, but they damage a victim's mind.
God, when will this ever end?
Sooner or later, it leads to death. Wait.
No. Keep away from me. What the hell? Who could that be?
It's Hunter.
Mutants don't knock first. Open the damn gate. Welcome to Exhibition, Hunter.
Thanks. Now close your gate.
It's been a long time, Hunter.
Good to see you, Alex. Hello, Artyom.
So, Hunter, what's happening in the outside world these days?
Not much. Most of what I hear is about the exhibition and the undead infesting your tunnels. Artyom, I met a trader selling old postcards of New York City. I thought of your wall.
These are not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else.
What the hell?
Something much worse.
Dark ones. Well, whatever in hell they are, my order has a motto. If it's hostile, you kill it.
Dark ones do not...
main vent shaft. They're coming in from above.
Shit. Just what we needed. There are wounded here just behind the wall. The
Kirill, take your group to the tunnels.
Alex,
Hunter...
we must stay here and defend the hall.
All right, Artyom, quickly, get a weapon. Artyom, get a weapon! Damn, they never come this far into this station.
It's the hospital. They smell the blood.
Artyom, are you all right?
Of course. He's a dead-eye shot, this one. No Dark Ones here. Just the usual tunnel trash.
Even when you don't see them, the Dark Ones are there. Fear. That's their weapon. That's what made the Nosalises run through the tunnels like rats. The Dark Ones are not simple mutants. They're Homo Novus, the next step in evolution. You've heard about survival of the fittest? Guess what? We lost.
What's happened to you, Alex? You can go like lambs to the slaughter. I'll hang on to whatever life I got with teeth and claws. And I'll take more than a few of your Homo Novus with me to hell.
You think you're some old movie cowboy? Have a look, Hunter. 10 soldiers trained in combat. bodies broken, their minds gone.
The Dark Ones! They destroyed the outer guard post!
The devil knows what's happening out there, beyond your perimeter. I must go recon the situation. Listen carefully at him. If I'm not back here by morning, you must get to police station and find a man named Miller. Tell him what's happened to me, and what's stirring in the northern tunnels. Show this to Miller, so he knows I've sent you. I trust everything to you, Artyom. Don't let me down. If we are to survive, this threat must be eliminated, no matter the cost. Eliminated. Understand?
Hunter did not return. It wouldn't be easy to find an excuse to leave the station and travel to Polis, but I had given my word. I learned that the caravan was heading to Riga the next day and needed guards. I signed on for the ride.
Постой, паровоз, не стучите колеса. Кондуктор, нажми на тормоза.
Finally! Taking your time as usual, huh? Alright, grab your gear, go to the platform, they're waiting for us. I'll meet you there. Hey, Artyom, don't forget anything, huh? Вот стоц перевертаться, бабушка здорова. Вот стоц перевертаться, кушает компот. Вот стоц перевертаться и мечтать снова. Вот стоц перевертаться, пережить налет.
Hey, that's some nice music.
Sorry, Arto. This part of the station is under temporary lockdown. It's from a only the guards met us.
Hey, you're sure you don't regret getting it?
I'm sick and tired of this
I am
shit.
too.
Why do I put up with it? Being, Mom told me to keep away from you.
something else
that you
now.
were no good.
How about...
And she was right.
I know. How about the house where you'd like to live with your mom and dad? Oh, come on.
A house? A big one?
And when your mom comes back, show it to her
guy
and
comes over and says,
that's going to be great.
baby, if my wife could cook like you, I'd be the happiest man in the world.
Daddy? When
I
is
don't
Mom
want to hear
going
about
to
your
come back?
mom. We got a good 50
Can your
years
wife
before we can
cook
go
at
home
all?
side again.
And he says,
Go back to sleep. Maybe you should see how much
actually,
you're...
I'm not married. That's sweet.
So go for it, girl.
Nobody home.
Dirt everywhere, just dirt. People are filthy, you know? Liars, hypocrites, traitors, everywhere.
What? You saying that I'm dirt?
Is that
Well,
you?
you're
bitch?
shit, okay?
Look who's talking about dirt. Walking around and leaving those dirty footprints everywhere. Not giving a damn about me who's got to clean it up after them. That's something to piss anyone off.
Our stations
Pete,
are to jointly solve
didn't I
issues
ask you to stay
concerning
close?
trade, communications,
Control you all over the place, ain't no
resources,
fun
and
at
so
all.
on.
You make
Most
me worry like that,
importantly,
okay?
the northern tunnels will now be
Okay,
secured
Daddy.
by our combined
sorry.
military units, a major step in defense of the metro system. As a sign of goodwill, the troops from Riga are already on their way here. We're counting on
feeling I
all
saw
our
that guy
citizens
somewhere.
to welcome our new allies and to offer them the same respect shown to our home guard. Thank you for your attention.
Not talking aloud. You heard me. And you, Artyom, should go. You got no business here. Prison is a place for thieves.
I was put in charge of radio monitoring.
How can this be?
Contact the government.
Tell me he's
There is standard method for discriminating. Guards on the cars, good weapons make good soldiers. While at war, your weapon is your best friend. Transporting cargo once. It's usually
Drunk again. Get the hell up, you slob.
Well, sweetheart, what should daddy get you?
What do you want?
Your choice. There's no tomorrow. And there won't be if you don't get your ass home.
Yes, sir.
Everything's fresh. Come over, make your choice. Let's go. Move it, you white sack.
Artyom, where's your gear? You go to the armory and get geared up.
That's one happy family for you. I have the best selection on perfect customer satisfaction. Go ahead, buy from another merchant.
Come over, take a look.
Toy understands at the ropes, gets shitless till I drag him away. Whatever. Even when
You can see it, you can feel it.
And hasn't to this day.
Jesus Christ.
Hello, doing well, I
Siberia
presume?
was silent.
Not bad at least.
But the others did transmit, including the strategic nuclear subs.
Yeah, that's how it is. I've been caught.
No help. The man's supposed to make a living somehow. Shit, I station and gas station. That's a special case.
To check if their families were among the survivors. Some of the subcrews decided to get their revenge and went to their launch positions.
Oh, that is just what you need. Oh, you're right. That is just what the doctor ordered.
As you wish.
A good weapon makes the best partner.
Big fillet. Fresh too, huh?
A nice idea. Make your choice, huh? Huh, nice deal.
Artyom, get to the armory.
Hello, Artyom. So, what do you make of that new
Hello, Artyom. You need some weapons? Okay, let's take a look.
As if you were born a soldier.
Submachine gun, 5.45 caliber, made in the armory. It's got bore accuracy and overheats like hell. That's why they call it a bastard gun.
Got both hands? Got the head? Here's your gun and go, go, go. Never fear, it's the same old
Use
story.
short bursts, Artyom. Help yourself to some ammo, too. Here's a universal charger to keep the battery powered. And a gas mask. Put it on if you crossed any radiation hot zones. Or, God help you, go up to the surface. Army issue first aid kits, just in case. Okay, you're supplied, my friend. Feel free to try out your weapon on my firing range. And you try not to stick out your head too much, okay?
think about it.
So do you think one day we could go back up to the surface? I've never seen Moscow, just the old pictures.
Moscow's gone. Soon will be gone too.
Hi, how are you, Artyom?
But there were other suburbs. St. Petersburg, Minsk, Kiev.
People might have survived somewhere else, at least for a while.
Come in, son. You're ready to set off? Good.
The other cities didn't have the...
You've probably heard that our station is creating an alliance with Riga. We're sending them a couple of rail cars with humanitarian goods, some weapons and some miscellaneous gear. It's the cargo you'll be looking after. It's not a very long trip and it should not be too hard. Artyom, one thing before you go. I can see that you look up to Hunter, but a ranger's life is different than ours. They are reckless, even violent by nature. There's nothing to be gained by playing the hero, so stay clear of trouble. See the caravan to its destination and come home as soon as possible. Goodbye, my boy.
Hello, Artyom. How are you?
Hi, Artyom. How about the piglet? Mighty fine pet, I must say.
One more!
Give me some rest. Can't even get a break for a smoke.
Artyom! Artyom, here! Move it!
Привет!
He said it was...
So you ready to move out?
kept sabering its help. If I demanded that...
Are you ready? Well, let's go then.
Imagine that your invention was the #1 wonder to the world. It's worse than being the doctor who invented the guillotine.
You take that seat, Artyom, and you, Eugene, take this one. Did anybody forget anything?
So, you get your gear? Let's go then.
Hey guys, going to Riga?
Yeah, we are.
Can I get a lift?
Sure, but no free rides. You'll have to pull the lever sometimes.
I can do that.
Let's go then. Alrighty then. Good luck to everyone staying home, and to us too.
Boy,
let's go.
Good luck to us.
So, are you ready to finally be somewhere else?
Oh! Artyomka! Free at last, huh? Well, for as long as the ride takes anyway. Should be fun. More dangerous. Even better, right?
It was the first time I had left the safety of my home station. It troubled me that I hadn't told my stepfather the truth. I would not be heading straight back from Riga. But Hunter was depending on me.